Alright, so today will be a short video. This is just to remind you that for this activity, the solution you come up with will practically be your own. We will make a custom solution to this game. Just read through the activity and follow the instructions. The only major requirement is that you must have at least 5 apples. There's 2 different pathways. You could either display at least 5 apples at once, and each apple will have a different letter, or you can have letters appear on top, and pressing one of the letters causes an apple to drop down. Again, you can have all 5 letters at top, or you can end up doing one letter at top, and you have to press it before the apple reaches the ground. When the user types a letter, only the apple containing the corresponding letter drops from the tree. If you choose to display the letters at top rather than on the apples, it doesn't matter which apple drops. So, multiple different ways you can have 5 apples with letters on them. Pressing the corresponding letter causes it to drop, and then once it hits the ground, it disappears. Or you can have it to where it displays one letter, and the apple drops, and you have to press the letter before it hits the ground in order to score a point. Or you can have it display all the letters at the top, and you have so much time to press the letter in order to get an apple to drop. The solution that you come up with is your own, but you should be coming up with a plan in advance of how you want to do this. So, design a plan. You don't have to worry about getting a partner to initialize it or anything. Going to people in class. Also, make sure that when you're programming, you are adding plenty of comments. You need to document your code. That is very important in programming. If you want me to check your work, you can copy it into Scratch code or something and ask me to look at it. If you need help, put it in Scratch code. So again, I want to go over one thing. Let me actually fix something. Alright. I have this currently set to do Tuesday. If you didn't notice, so for example, in the previous activity was due Wednesday. However, we completed activity 122 on Tuesday. You should not be turning it in or working on it on Wednesday. The purpose of the due date being one day after we end is in case something happens on Tuesday and you're unable to finish, you get one extra day. You shouldn't be waiting until the day is due to finish it up. So, for example, come Monday, we're going to finish this unit. However, if you don't finish it by Monday and you have issues, I do give you a little wiggle room. But on Tuesday, we're going to begin the next unit. So you should plan to try to have it finished by Monday. But if you don't, you can turn it in on Tuesday. These due dates are always giving you one extra day to finish it. So plan ahead on how you plan on getting the Apple to drop what you want. Again, these are the features that you have. So read it carefully. I in the previous video showed 2 examples of it running. You can follow something similar to the examples, or you can come up with a brand new idea. If you want to do something totally different and change this up, send me an email. I will approve it if it's a good enough alternative idea. I believe you're actually supposed to send me your plan beforehand so that I can approve and check off on it. But you should be working on this early. Don't wait until Tuesday or Monday to start programming on this. And for the remote learner, there's the code word. Pretty relevant since currently we're being hit by a hurricane or tropical storm at this point. That's it for today.